passed away, breathed his last at 7:30 and left us very peacefully there. Also, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and these are the tributes that are coming in right now. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just tweeted, and I'm quoting what he said: Dileep Kumarji will be remembered as a cinematic legend. He was blessed with unparalleled brilliance, due to which audiences across generations were enthralled. His passing away is a loss to our cultural world. Condolences to his family, friends and innumerable admirers. RIP. So that is the tweet that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just put out, that you see on your screens. Also, a number of tributes pouring in. Dileep Saab was someone who is not just a legend in India, he was a legend across the world and will be remembered for the ages to come for his contributions to the industry. Almost anyone in the industry you speak to right now, an actor, will talk about how they've learned lessons from Dileep Kumar, from his films. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his tweet also touching upon that. Let me read that out for you again, where he said Dileep Kumarji will be remembered as a cinematic legend. He was blessed with unparalleled brilliance. Similar tributes that are pouring in from across the country. Actor Akshay Kumar has also tweeted now, saying, to the world, many others may be heroes. To us actors, he was the hero. Dileep Kumar says, taken an entire era of Indian cinema away with him. My thoughts and prayers are with his family. So for actors like Akshay Kumar, of course, there was no bigger inspiration than Dileep Saab, and that's what he's touched upon. So tributes pouring in from across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has just tweeted. Minister Rajnath Singh has also put out his tribute. Rahul Gandhi has also tweeted his tribute. Condolence messages pouring in from across the country for Dileep Kumar's family as well. This is a moment of mourning, yes, but it's also a moment to celebrate Dileep Kumar's legacy and all that he's left us with. His films, his acting, and the fact that he's inspired so many of the superstars that we see today in this generation. So as the tributes continue to pour in, we'll be getting you some of the voices of all those who've spoken to us, talking about the life and times of Dileep Saab, about what he'll be remembered for. And it's not just his films, his acting, but his sophistication. He was someone who is known to be a true gentleman, who was very professional, and that's something that many actors, even in this generation, have learned from Dileep Kumar. After a prolonged illness, he has breathed his last this morning at 7:30. We're going to respect the privacy of his family members. For Saira Banu, his wife, who's been with him for the last many years, ensuring that she handheld him through, in fact,